All right, this morning I'm gonna grind some coffee in a little blending bowl. I like to do it this way because it's fresh every time. And this is gonna be a nice little quick video for you. I find myself using the blending bowls a little more than I expected. And oh my God, I'm grinding coffee with a Vitamix, this blasphemy. Listen, I use the Vitamix for what it's designed for. It grinds coffee great. Stop whining. This is what I do. Okay, fill up the cup with some whole beans. Put the base on. Flip it over. Wake up my machine. And I grind about 6 or 7 for a little while. And I'll put that in my French press. And it'll be a fantastic coffee. It's nice and fresh every single time with the whole beans. If you're putting this through a coffee filter, you might want to sift out the fine stuff and put that away for something else. And take the coarser stuff to put it in your drip coffee. But there it is. It's nice and... Oh, it smells so good. This is a Italian roast whole bean coffee from World Market. It's really, really good, but that's it. Vitamix grinds up the coffee nice and fresh.